In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Visual Studio Code. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you know exactly what you're doing, and so you don't accidentally remove something important. Deleting a project might sound simple, but because it usually involves removing real files and folders from your computer, it's always worth taking a careful, intentional approach. First, go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code application. You can launch it the same way you normally do, either from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu. Once it's open, give it a second to load your most recent workspace or project. Now you'll want to select the project you want to delete. In Visual Studio Code, projects are typically just folders on your computer that contain your code files. Look at the Explorer panel, usually on the left-hand side of the window. This is where you'll see your open folder or the list of files that belong to your current project. If the project you want to delete isn't open yet, you can go to the File menu at the top, choose Open Folder, and then navigate to the folder that represents that project. Once you open it, you'll see its contents in the Explorer. When you're sure you're looking at the correct project, find the top-level folder for that project in the Explorer panel. This is important because deleting the top-level folder will remove the entire project, not just a single file. Take a moment here to confirm that this is really the one you want to get rid of, and that you no longer need any of the files inside it. Next, move your mouse over that project folder and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Depending on your system and settings, Visual Studio Code or your operating system may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this folder. Read the prompt carefully, and if you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. Once you do this, the project folder and its files will be removed from the Explorer, and typically from your file system as well. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project in Visual Studio Code in just a few simple steps. Open the app, select the correct project folder, right-click, and choose Delete.